Software training for students could be one of the best jobs you ever have. Here's why. Being good in front of a crowd is a valuable and marketable skill. At STS, you'll get to practice by teaching your fellow students things they'll actually use. All right! Even better, you get to learn industry-standard software on the job. By the time you graduate, you'll be a seasoned presenter and have real-world tech skills, which employers will love. At STS, we know you're a student first, so we always make your student life a priority. You can be confident that we'll fit STS work into your schedule. If you're only available 2 days a week, then you only work 2 days a week. Cue happy dance. And the cherry on top of this great job Sunday? Seriously competitive pay. Apply now and get paid well to have fun while gaining real-world skills. We'd love to have you on our team.